Good evening, Teacher Shella, and good evening, Chloe. So, we are taking some videos or recording today for the incident that was happened way back on September 27, which is the sponsor Kim Yong-sun gave 2 photo cheese and 100 peso for drinks. So, we are taking back for what happened that time. So, you may now ask Tishella, Chloe, regarding what happened.
Chloe, we received the 2 boxes of cheese and 100 peso for drinks.
So, it was confirmed, or it is confirmed that Chloe received that 2 boxes of photo cheese and 100 peso. And regards with that, since we haven't taken videos for that donation, so we're now making some letters or message for Kim Yong-sun, especially Teacher Shala. So you may now go ahead and send your apology to Kim Yong-sun.
Good evening, sir and Kim Yong-sun. I sincerely apologize to you a video of Chloe. I forgot, sir. I'm really sorry. I hope you can forgive me, Kim Yong-sun. It's not my intention. I was running some errands and forget to take a video. I know there is an excuse for this. I'm deeply sorry for what happened. I can assure you, Kim Yong-sun, that this will be the first and last incidents. I hope you give some consideration. I know that you're a person who have a wide understanding and good person, and your intention are to make sure your donation will reach to the students you wish to help and to the people who need you. I sincerely apologize for the mistake I've done. Please accept my apology.
Alright, so Teacher Shella sent already her apology message to Kim Yong-sun regarding the incident that was happened way back on September 27. Since that time, just to give up a summary, that time Chloe's still at school. You're still at school, right? And then Teacher Shella was the one who received the donations that should be given to you. And then after that, when you came home, Teacher Shella gave the donations, the 2 box of photo cheese and the 100 peso for drinks. And you confirmed that, Chloe, that you received the item, right? So you already eat and drink the donation that given from Kim Yong-sun. So Kim Yong-sun, we are sincerely apologizing for what happened, for the incidents. I know there is no excuses, and that is our lapses. We're very sorry, and we know that you're a person with a good heart and an understandable one. So we're sending the apologies to you, and we hope that you give some consideration regarding the incident that was happened on September 27. So again, Kim Yong-sun, kamsahamnida for everything, and we're very sorry. So I hope you accept our apology. So bye bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.